Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Thanks so much for joining us today. My name is Brad Miro. I'm a senior developer advocate on the Data Cloud team, and today we'll be discussing the AI-ready Data Cloud. So let's just dive right in. Many organizations struggle to unlock the benefits of AI due to trust. Rather than AI capabilities, some of the bigger hurdles are related to topics such as data security. Should I allow everyone to put sensitive company data into AI models? Content reliability. Can I trust the output? What about hallucinations? Compliance. Is this meeting the compliance standards, particularly for regulated industries? Governance. How do I govern agents, and what data should or shouldn't the agents have access to? Trust requires a secure by design foundation and clear governance. This is why a secure enterprise-grade foundation is non-negotiable. Your tools and platforms must guarantee that your data is protected and that you have the controls to manage AI so that it is used responsibly. So you've done the hard work of unifying your data for its old job of analysis, collecting and aggregating it to inform human-led decisions. But we are at an inflection point where data has a new, more urgent job: activation. Gartner predicts that within a year, more than half of business decisions will be automated or augmented by AI agents. The critical question is, will those agents be informed by your most complete, accessible, and governed data, or will they be flying blind? Many organizations are trying to force their current analysis platforms to do this activation job, but these were not built for AI. Data is fragmented across separate warehouses, lakehouses, and operational databases, so AI can't act on the full real-time picture. AI tools are bolted on instead of built in, forcing developers and data scientists into slow, complex, and costly data plumbing just to build a simple feature, reducing their highly valuable productivity. Scaling is inefficient when customers are forced to manage clusters and capacity, so TCO continues to grow with the increasing pressure that AI puts on their systems. But what if your data platform wasn't just a collection of siloed tools, but a single unified engine for autonomous action across operational and analytical data in your databases, data warehouses, and data lakes, even your lakehouses for ultimate flexibility? And this is the Agentic Data Cloud, a platform designed from the ground up for activation. It is trusted to eliminate silos and ensure governance, AI native to automate management, and flexible to guarantee your choice. Data agents are revolutionizing the way that different data roles operate by bringing automation, intelligence, and natural language capabilities into their daily workflows. Whether it's data analysts querying and visualizing data more efficiently, developers building smarter applications, or data scientists accelerating model development, agents help streamline repetitive tasks and boost productivity. Data engineers benefit from automated data preparation and pipeline management, while ML engineers can deploy and monitor models more effectively. Even business users, who traditionally rely on technical teams for insight, can now interact with data directly using natural language. Overall, data agents empower every role to focus more on strategic impact and less on manual processes. So here are two ways that you can think about working with agents. So we have the helper. Now this makes the expert user more efficient. Think of it more as like a pair programming infrastructure. It's about improving the process of creating an analytical asset. Then you also have the partner model, which makes the user more effective by taking on the creation process itself. It's about delivering the final outcome, fundamentally changing who can access data and how quickly insights can be generated. This is how we're redefining data practitioner productivity, deeply embedded AI across the platform. To develop agentic apps, first you need to innovate faster and build intelligent apps that deliver superior customer experience. Our AI-native databases, like AlloDB, use the Google Scan Index, the technology that powers services like Google Search and YouTube. And this is used to deliver up to 4x faster vector queries and up to 10x faster filtered vector search queries than the HNSW index in standard PostgreSQL, which means your customers engage with the new AI-powered experience you build for them seamlessly. Second, you need to create AI agents that can actually take action. We provide a single open foundation so agents have the full data context they need to operate autonomously. Third, we need to unshackle your data scientists by eliminating the context switching between disparate tools and giving access to complex, real-time, and unstructured data. as well as offering a toolkit designed to turn a model from a single notebook into a secure, scalable, and production-ready autonomous agent. You can automatically manage your entire AI lifecycle with productivity multiplier data agents powered by Google's unique first-party model Gemini at a more cost-efficient rate than fragmented AI stacks. Finally, you must empower everyone to interact with your data. This means treating data like a ready-to-use product that is discoverable, trusted, and safe for activation by a user or agent. This approach lets you monetize your data and infuse it into products for external consumption and to enable conversational analytics experiences for your users. So what makes our data cloud agentic? It's not just a collection of services. It's a complete integrated stack. We own every layer, from industry-defining AI infrastructure via TPUs and frontier models via Gemini to the data engines that power them. We unify your data. Instead of forcing you to stitch together separate operational databases, analytical warehouses, and AI tools, our platform is seamlessly unified. This means your AI agents can act on real-time, trusted data from across your entire business without costly, complex data movement. Our Agentic Data Cloud is built for an open, multi-agent future. We don't lock you in. Our support for open formats, open standards, and multi-cloud means you can use your preferred models and tools, whether they are ours or someone else's, giving you true strategic freedom. Diving a bit more into the specific agents, we give you capabilities in 3 different areas. So we have our own specialized agents built directly into the platform for all data users to use. We offer a suite of tools to power custom agents, including our Agent Developer Kit, or ADK, as you may have heard it. We also offer Gemini APIs, and then, of course, MCP servers. We also have deep support for agent ops to view telemetry about your agents. Now, in terms of the out-of-the-box agents that we offer, in our Agentic Data Cloud, we offer 3 specialized ones. We have the Data Engineering Agent, which was GA'd at Next last month. It is a pipeline architect that authors and troubleshoots BigQuery SQL-based pipelines for you. We also have the Data Science Agent, slated to GA this quarter, and this can be seen as a lab partner inside of your collab environment, automating your data science workflows. Recently, I've actually been using this a ton to help me build Apache Spark pipelines, which is a tool that I use quite frequently. And lastly, the BigQuery Assistant, which was previewed at Next, sits within BigQuery Studio to describe tasks in natural language. It also has contextual awareness of your cloud environment, including integration with our knowledge catalog for resource discovery. Additionally, conversational analytics is now available within BigQuery. So we are moving BigQuery beyond a passive storage sink into an active reasoning engine. Conversational analytics on BigQuery allows your team to transition from receiving reactive reporting to autonomous action. This is multimodal by design. You can now ask natural language questions across your entire estate, not just relational tables, but also unstructured data like images, PDFs, and video. Because reasoning happens directly where the data lives, you eliminate the latency and security risks of moving petabyte-scale datasets to external tools. To ensure enterprise-grade trust, conversational analytics ensures that its responses are anchored in your specific business entities, relationships, and metrics, ensuring every insight is grounded in your verified source of truth rather than inside of a black box. You can author and publish agents to Gemini Enterprise or custom apps, allowing the warehouse to trigger proactive workflows and alerts long before a human ever checks a dashboard. By consolidating intelligence with where your data already resides, you minimize the insight to action gap while maintaining absolute control over your data boundary. Now, this slide presents the architectural vision for conversational AI across every business workflow. Gemini Enterprise is the future front door to your entire Agentic Data Cloud stack. We are currently building plug-and-play connections for Looker, BigQuery, our various databases, as well as Lakehouse data. The current preview and coming soon features show the roadmap to full data integration, and this vision is seamless data to Gemini Enterprise workflows once all components become fully available. We also have rich support for setting up your AI Open Lakehouse on Google Cloud. Our managed Apache Spark offerings are paired with our Lightning engine, providing up to 4.9x performance boosts over open source Apache Spark. Our Lakehouse products offer support for managed Iceberg tables. You can interact with these tables using any engine of your choice, from Apache Spark to BigQuery or Flink or Presto, and access these tables using the various agentic tools that we mentioned earlier in the presentation. And of course, Knowledge Catalog ties it all together, offering multi-cloud support, unified security, and enterprise governance. The entire stack converges to redefine operations with trusted AI infused at every level of our data cloud. Our leadership in AI comes from pioneering innovation across the AI stack, driven by world-leading research from Google DeepMind. This is built on performance-optimized hardware, like our custom silicon and TPUs, which are co-designed for AI. We train and run our industry-leading models, including Gemini, which are natively built into our data cloud. And this brings us to the future of intelligent, autonomous agents, where AI is ambient and proactive. We understand how important enterprise readiness is to our customers and partners, and that is especially true with technology as new and powerful as agentic AI. That's why we built our approach with enterprise readiness top of mind. Now, we'll take the next 15 minutes or so to talk about security. Over to you, Paul.